benefit of homegrown vegetables. So this week we're going to talk about the food that were there when I grew up. It's just not so easy to find as I move into the city. Well, all you can get is the mass-produced fruit and veggies from the big food industry. And then we started to see the trend of people starting to grow their own vegetables and fruits on their rooftop, at the backyard. They'll have their own little fruit and veg patch, so you can actually enjoy something special that you don't find quite easily at the big supermarket or some other shops, or you have to go to the special fruit and veggie shops to buy those exotic items. But in fact, there's a trend now. People are starting to grow more and more of the heirloom vegetables. Even the restaurant chefs are growing their own vegetable ingredients so they can put it onto their dish that is really hard to find. Now remember, I read this book by a famous chef, Peter Gilmore, about rare vegetables. Now he wanted local farmers to grow some of the things like the flower of the peas that he wanted to put in his dish, or some unusual vegetables. But the grower said no, because all they want to do is to put the seeds on the ground in the field and wait until they can be harvested and then market them in one go. They don't want to get up early in the morning to go and pick that flower just for his restaurant. He actually grow it at his backyard and find some really small growers that's willing to do that. And now this trend has starting to grow bigger and bigger, and they even supply to more restaurants now. So see the benefit of growing your own. You will have so much choice, and you will open up the door to so many different kind of vegetables that is not available in the big supermarket. What we really need now is to have the benefit of bring back the old vegetables, or the vegetables that we enjoyed in the olden time. Bring them back. All we need to do is grow them and have more variety for us to enjoy. So how about that? Put your comments below and let me know what you think, or let me know whether you grow your own veggie and really enjoy the fresh produce, or something you grow that you can't buy from the shops. Until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Gray.